Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the details of the new MINI Countryman. This is the John Cooper Works, and as you can see, it's got gorgeous specification, and I really am a big fan of this new design from MINI Countryman. The new generation model is bigger compared to the predecessor. It's got much more serious design in my opinion. So let's start here with the lights. New LEDs. You can have different light signatures. I will show you that as well. And also you can see that we have the new grille, and looks very sporty on the John Cooper Works, but definitely looks much more mature in my opinion, much more muscular compared to the predecessor. Now if we move on here to the side, 13 centimeters longer compared to the predecessor, and we have large wheels on this one, 20-inch wheels, diamond cut finish, 245/40 R20, and beautiful design of those wheels. Now moving on here, we have the John Cooper Works lettering, all four, and now we come to the rear of the car with the gorgeous design. I mean, just look at this. At the rear we have the beautiful vertical LEDs. You can change the lighting signatures. I will show you that when we get inside. And now let me just show you the trunk space. So you have the electric tailgate on this one. There we go. Dual floor, and also pretty deep and pretty wide as well. So yeah, time to check out the interior. But before that, let me just show you the aggressive rear bumper with the real exhaust pipes. How cool is that? Look how aggressive does this look. I mean, gorgeous design. And now we are ready to explore the interior, so let's check it out here. Very futuristic and also minimalistic. I really love this. So let's check it out from driver's perspective. And first of all, let me just show you those seats, the John Cooper Works seats with the integrated headrest. And now we are ready to check it out from driver's perspective. And this is how it looks from driver's perspective. First thing that you notice is the new steering wheel. Feels very nice in hand. John Cooper Works lettering here. And then in front of the driver, the head-up display, and in the middle, the main star is the new OLED screen with the new infotainment system, and I think this is really cool. And then here you have the ambient lights, nice details here. Also, not sure if you can see, I think you can. The lighting is here as well, and the beautiful design for the door handles, and some cool details here. So these are the experiences. You can change between various experiences that are available, and then you change the layout of the infotainment system, the ambient lights, and different things. Now here you have the gear selector, and this is how you turn on the car. So you see, start engine, hazard lights, wireless charging pad, cup holders, and then here you have the storage area, while here in the middle you see you can move this section, and you can see the USB-C ports, 12-volt power supply, and let's open the glove compartment as well. Now the infotainment system is very cool. So if you press the home menu, you can have different layouts here. I mean, just look at this. Now if you press this, you go into like the main menu, which will be more like a standard menu. And by pressing this, you can change between various experiences. So for example, if you go to personal, you have different layout here, different ambient lights, and we have the ambient lights at the rear as well. So here is where you can change the color. So red one, looking quite nice for the John Cooper Works. And then various options are available. I'm not sure if you can see it here as well. And on the sides here, on the doors. Tell me in the comments what would be your favorite. Let's put this balance blue. You can play with the infotainment system. Not going to go through all the details, but it's definitely a very cool infotainment system, and I love the way that it is integrated into the dashboard, first of all, but I also love the cool design of the system itself. Let me show you the go-kart, for example. If we go here to the go-kart menu, look at this. So you have this sound, and then you have a very cool speedometer. And again, I'm not going to go through all the details of the infotainment system, but yeah, it's definitely a very cool one. And I will show you the lighting signatures that are available for this car. So you go to exterior lighting, now settings, and driving light mode. So look at this. We have the John Cooper Works, and you see the illumination here on the front. Then this is the second option, and the classic one would be this one. And you will see also now at the rear, very cool lighting signature as well. So there we go. And then this is how it looks on the John Cooper Works light mode. So that is very, very cool indeed. And as mentioned, the car is longer than the predecessor. You have the air vents, USB-C ports, storage area, and here in the middle you have the cup holders, and you can move the rear bench. Look at this. So really a practical car indeed. And regarding the headroom, as you can see, plenty of space still left on 1.87 m. And now let's check out the specifications of the model in our video. So this is the Countryman John Cooper Works ALL4, and you have 300 horsepower, 5.4 seconds to reach 100, and yeah, well, 20-inch wheels. And this is the total price of the car, and this is the base price for the new Mini Countryman. Various powertrains are available for this car. So yeah, I want to hear your thoughts.